Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make coconut cookies. This turned out so delicious, it's yumicious, and if you're a coconut lover, you're definitely going to love these cookies. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in melted butter, followed by powdered sugar. I'll then stir this together till well combined and add in the rest of the ingredients. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After everything has come together, I'll sieve in flour. I'll then add in coconut extract, baking powder, and desiccated coconuts. After, I'll stir all those ingredients together till well combined. The last ingredient that I added was a pinch of salt, just to balance the sweetness. I'll mix everything well combined again, and then I'll add in coconut milk. But instead, if you don't have coconut milk, you can always use normal milk or even evaporated milk. I'll go with my hands and then knead it and make sure everything has come together until it has formed a dough. It should be something like this, and then the dough should be a little bit sticky as demonstrated in the video, because at the end we're going to put it in the coconut, in the desiccated coconut, so you want it to stick to it. After, I placed a parchment paper on my working surface and then I placed the dough on top. I then knead it I then roll it until it's almost about 7 to 8 millimeters. That is the thickness. After, I used a scone cutter to cut a round shape. So if you don't have a scone cutter, you can use even a bottle or something that have a round shape. You can even scoop it with a tablespoon and then roll it in your palm. It's as easy as ABCD. After, I'll go ahead and dip it in the desiccated coconut. So make sure it's well coated, and then shake out any excess coconut. So guys, this is it. It's simple, easy. I'll bake this at 150 degrees Celsius from 20 to 22 minutes, not more than that. 150 degrees Celsius from 20 to 22 minutes. And guys, this is it. It's simple, easy. Trust me, it's so delicious. You can always adjust the sugar by yourself. I personally don't like much sugar, but then my husband was saying it was missing a little bit of sugar. But then I'll list the exact amount of the ingredient that I used with the quantity of the sugar, so you can always adjust it. And guys, this is it. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. Isn't it amazing? Please share this video and let's grow up this channel together.